Assalamu alaikum and hello friends, today I am going to tell you why my Facebook account was restricted. So main topic is why my Facebook account was restricted. 90% people face this problem, why my Facebook account was restricted. Facebook account was restricted due to many reasons. The reason in this video I am going to tell about this why my Facebook account was restricted. First, you have received account warning from Facebook team, and you can see your account may be restricted if you violate it again. When you again post something against a Facebook community, your Facebook account was be restricted for 30 days. If you violate again the Facebook term, your account will be restricted for 30 days. You cannot post or comment for 24 days. Due to many reasons, your account was be restricted. So I am going to show you. This is account. And you can see the account warning option. This account was receive account warning option. Why account warning option receive? So let's see. You can see this message. We cannot understand that mistakes happen, so we do not restrict your account. So you can receive just account warning option. If you violate again the Facebook term, you can post against sexual illegal activity against a Facebook team, Facebook account. So your Facebook account will be restricted. So let's see, check it. Your post did not follow our community standard or nudity or sexual activity. So that's why this account received account warning option. So you can see this message. Your post did not follow our community standard or nudity sexual activity. Okay, so I will check a next account. They receive account restricted problem. Account restricted, you cannot post or comment for 30 days. So I will check a next account. They receive account restricted problem. I am going to show you account restricted due to many reasons. Account restricted due to post illegal sexual activity, and you can see this message, account restricted. So let's click on this. I will check it, see why. You can see this message, you cannot post or comment for 23 days. Your post did not follow our community standard on a guns, animal and other regulated goods. So this is the first restriction message. And this was, you cannot post our community standard or harassment and bullying. So let's see, check it, this message, why. So you can see this type of illegal bad language. That's why this Facebook account was restricted. Someone reported these messages, someone reported this post. That's why the Facebook account is restricted. So let's see again. So you can see this type of bad language when you have used in account. You can post this type of language, your Facebook account has been restricted. Again, bad language, this account has been restricted. You can see this type of a bad language when you have used in your account may be restricted. So you can see the Facebook account has been restricted due to many reasons. The Facebook account has been restricted due to post illegal sexual activity on Facebook account. Your account has received first account warning, and if you violate the Facebook terms, if you again post illegal and sexual activity on Facebook account, you have used a bad language on post in comments, then your account has been restricted for 30 days. So please use Facebook account for helping people, chat with friend. Don't use for illegal bad activities. So hope you can enjoy this topic. So the account restricted and account warning solution, please check the description. I posted the solution of account restricted and account warning. So please watch this full video, and hope you enjoy this video and you can learn more. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for latest or helpful video.